Hello boys and girls, today we are working on lesson 46A, and the first thing it tells you to do is to draw a 5-inch line segment. So that means you're using the big, and you're going to go 5 inches, and a line segment has 2 endpoints. Now draw a line segment that is 1 inch shorter. Well, 5 take away 1 is 4. So it's going to be 4-inch line segment. On December 10th, Andy said, 2 weeks from today, we will visit my grandfather. How many days will we have to wait? Well, it's December 10th. You're going to wait 2 weeks is worth 2 times 7. That's 14. On what date will your grandfather visit? Well, it's going to be December 10th plus 14 would be 24. Well, I would go ahead and put 2020 because that's where we're at. Okay, which line segment is horizontal? Now this is something you've never done before, but I want you to look down here. This is how you're supposed to do it. Well, the horizontal would be going across, so it'd be AC. Vertical, or you can write CA. It doesn't really matter which direction you put it in. Okay, this would be vertical, which is up and down, would be BC, or you can put CB. And the oblique is AB or BA. Measure each line segment in the triangle. Okay, so if I go to the A to C, I'm going to have a little bit of a difficulty. That would be about 4 centimeters. B to C, which is about 3 centimeters. You find AB all on your own. What is the approximate Fahrenheit temperature of the classroom? Most people keep their house about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Bernie has a dozen quarters and a half a dozen pennies. Well, a dozen is worth 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and these are all worth 25. And I don't want to spend that time, so I'm just going to write 25 right here because I don't want to do it. And then a half of a dozen is 6. And I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll go ahead and put my ones here. So, how much is that worth? Well, I went ahead and did them by 4s because 4 quarters equals 100 cents. 100, 200, 300, 6 cents. 306 cents or $3.06. You can do either one. The movie begins at 10:30 a.m. So my minute hand is on the 6 and my hour hand is halfway between that 10 and that 11. The movie ends 2 hours later. So I'm here, so I'm going to go 1, 2. So what time is it? It is 12:30. This is mental math, so you can do this all on your own. And that concludes today's lesson.